Other people, when they are making a fruit salad, they make a syrup. But I don't like syrup. Nahin natin ito. At meron akong lemon. Pag gagawa tayo ng apple, para hindi mangitim, kailangan may lemon tayo. Hello, hello, hello. How are you? Ganun lang yung cut natin, no? Maliit lang. Squeeze lang tayo ng lemon para hindi siya mangitim. Natin ng konti. Give it a mix para mag-spread ang ating lemon. Ayan. And don't worry guys, my hands are clean. Clean and bright. Anyway, kami lang ang kakain yan. It's not for any business. Family business only. And we have mango here. Ba't ba ako nag-English? Because last time, there's someone request to speak in English. So I try hard. But I'm not used to it. But with my husband, I took English of course because my husband is a foreigner. Actually, he's an Arabic man. So our English is not good as American English or British or whatsoever. So don't expect too much guys. I-cubes-cubes lang din natin ang ating mangga. Yan. Ang bango ng ating mangga. Same size, cubes or small cut only. Really this time, this mango is really sweet. Looks like a little bit pale in color, but the taste, sugary. There's no any occasion for doing this, but actually, you know guys, I want to share with you. In the Philippines, especially in a rural area, doing fruit salad, macaroni salad, there must be a birthday or special occasion. It's not an ordinary thing nowadays like here, but anytime that I like, I can make it anytime. Of course, I have money now, not saying before. Making these things is not a priority. But now, thanks God, anytime I want it, I can make it. But back then, we can eat only fruit salad, macaroni salad, or special sweets, treats during there's a special occasion, birthday, wedding, any special occasion. But anyway, hindi po ako nakatingin sa ating monitor. But anyway, I will review it later kung ano ba yung sinusulat niyo dyan, if ever there is. Next, maglagay tayo ng melon para mas maganda. Melon. So, cut lang natin to na maliliit din. Since malaki to, so yan na natin. Ganyan. But, hindi na ako maglagay ng peach kasi hindi pa siya masyadong hinog and I don't know, kasi pagkakain ako ng peach, pag ganito, binabalatan ko. Hindi pa siya mababalatan medyo medyo matigas. Pero okay naman siya kainin, yung asawa ko. Kinakain na niya. Ako kasi gusto ko yung malambot na peach. At saka yung hindi magaspang, yung smooth yung skin. Yung isang type ba. Yan. At maglagay tayo ng isang saging. Depende naman sa atin kung anong gagawin natin fruit salad. Yung iba, cocktail. So, hindi na ako maglagay ng cocktail ngayon kasi mas marami pa tong type. Minsan kasi yung cocktail, madayo din minsan kung anong season lang. Halimbawa, yung pinya o yung papaya, yun ang marami. So, ito lang siguro. Hindi ko na siya lagyan ng avocado. Yung avocado ko sa another, ko na lang. Sa tinapay ko na lang. Let's go into cut our jelly. Jelly. Wow. Yeah. Kami nag-wiggle-wiggle. Wiggle. Naglalaro pa talaga. I'm just kidding. I want to play the jelly. Anyway, how are you today, guys? I hope you're doing well. Actually, yesterday, I feel a bit dizzy. Then, night time, I have fever. But now, the fever has subsided because I drink already my medicine. Ang ganda ng ating jelly. Parang na parang yung jelly natin. Grabe. Naisipan ko lang siya kanina habang nagluto ako ng lunch. Sabi ko, may ano pala ako, may mga ingredients for fruit salad. So, gawin ko naman ng fruit salad para naman. Kasi si Daddy busy sa trabaho niya para makain din. Kasi ako din naman busy sa paggawa ng kung ano-anong mga video on social media. You know guys, I need to do something for the sake of money. But in a right way. Kailangan magsipag. Para kumita, may extra income. Let's put all-purpose cream. Any brand. We didn't promote any brand here. Tansya lang to. Kailangan ko pag magdagdag ng cream. Nagdagdag ako. Pero kung feeling ko is enough, so that's it. Enough. And it's not waste. Script natin. Huwag tayo magsayang. I feel, yeah, we need one more. Alright. Just be careful for the sugar. Wow. See? Unti-unti lang yung natin, lagyan ng sugar because fruits has a sugar already. It's already sweet, so careful and watch out. Especially those who have a problem of sugar, having a type 2 diabetes. So, just be careful, guys. I don't like to put a syrup. I want all-purpose cream, whipping cream, heavy cream, and condensed milk only. But anyway, it's your choice. It's a matter of choice, right? Then after mixing it all, let's keep it in the fridge, chill, and serve. That's it. So easy. Just like that. And one last mix. And we will going, or I will going to keep in the fridge, and after an hour, a couple of hours, let's serve. But anyway, even not cold, it's already tasty. We can eat it directly. And about the peach, I have planned to mix it, but yeah, I think it's not a good idea because first, this type of peach, I want to peel off the skin. Because I like my peach is a smooth. The other type yan eh. The other type of peach. But my husband like this kind of peach. Some other are still not soft. That's why I keep it. Not to mix with the our fruit salad. This is only for dessert for us. For me and for my husband. So, this is too much. This is maybe last for 3 days, 4 days. If my friend's not coming over, so maybe a week. But if my friend maybe tomorrow or later tonight will come over, so it's fun. Let's eat.